thank you so much for taking out your time and being with us today. This has been a great privilege for us to launch something like this of its first kind. And why it is of its first kind, I'm going to talk to you about very soon as part of my introduction, because this is something very unique that has been created. And thanks to Sakshi and Anita for having worked on this so hard. Uh, image consulting is a space where not much has happened when it comes to online, because it is something which is very physical. You have to meet the person, like you meet a doctor one on one, right? He has to see your skin. So this is a very specialized program, and not many people are equipped to do that. And Bespoken is privileged to have one of its kind of this skill, which has just got emerged because of COVID. And Anita and Sakshi have been working on this, and they have been able to put this together. And that is what has taken them so much time to build this technology of doing it on virtual platform for the first time. So this is something very unique, and we are really very excited to have this kind of a session today. And some more people are joining in. Yeah, so I'm just letting them in so that we can start. Yes, it is 11:05, 11:06 now, and I would like to introduce our anchors today, the two great image consulting specialists, Anita and Sakshi. Anita and Sakshi, I have been working with them for more than 2 years now, Anita.
Yes, Jagdish.
Yeah, yeah, and they have been doing some awesome work, and they are learners, as they tell me. This morning we were having a breakfast conversation, and they said that we learn every day morning and every day evening, and we learn every day. We are learners, and that's what makes them great, because they are adding every day something new to what they do. And today I will not be, coming in the way between you and them, but just to introduce you about what Bespoken is. Bespoken is a platform where all the great things happen when it comes to fashion. It's a fashion platform where we encourage engagements. We encourage some kind of conversation about fashion happening. That's why the word bespoken, that you be spoken about what is empowering to you. And we are really thrilled to introduce this new subject called art of self-expression. What is all this about? What is all this blurb that we are talking? It's not blurb, it's reality. And you will understand this a bit from Anita and Sakshi, but I'll just give you a small prelude to it. You know, in life, we all have our own ways to express ourselves. We as human beings are born to be self-expressive, but sometime in some stage in our life, something happens, and then we stop expressing ourselves. And if you go back to your life, you will see there would be some area in your life where you stopped expressing yourself. And then somebody has to come and nudge you and tell you, look, this is not your real self. And now you have to come back. And that is the art that you have to keep learning about, how to self express yourself. So today we are going to spend a little bit of time on that, and how fashion or how image consulting as a tool can help us to enable us to come out of that. Because if you don't express yourself, you are no more a human being. You will start putting things inside you, and that's going to be really very painful, because that's not your natural self. And today we are going to understand how to unravel that aspect of our lives. It is more about fashion, because it is your biggest self-expression. Before even you open your mouth, you are already expressing yourself with your way you clothe yourself and why you clothe yourself. And they are going to give you that art. They're going to give you that logic of what's that all about. I have a few more people joining in. I'm also administering. So, I'm also welcoming my new host, new guests who are coming in. And, and with this little few words about what this program is about, I'm now inviting Sakshi and Anita to take over the podium, and take talk to us little bit about yourself, and then let's proceed. Thank you, Anita. Thank you, Sakshi, and over to you.
Thank you, Jagdish. Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Art of Self Expression. And thank you so much for joining in with us today. So, my name is Sakshi, and that is my partner Anita.
Hello, everyone. This is Anita here. Yes,
Uh,
Sakshi, go ahead.
yes, so we are the co founders of Niche Dot Studio. We've been in the image consulting and soft skills business for quite a few years now. And yeah, we have done our trainings from ICBI. We are certified, internationally certified from Singapore, and also we have done a master class with Carla Mathis, who is one of the most renowned image masters in this field. So I think we can start with our session today.
Yeah. So, do we begin, Jagdish? Is
Absolutely.
everyone in?
Absolutely, Anita. Most of them are in, and if even if they come in, that's fine. So we are perfectly
Okay.
ready to receive you. All
Sure.
ears to you, Anita and Sakshi.
Thank you,
Thank.
Jagdish. Thank you for the lovely introduction, by the way. Thank you. Pleasure is ours. Yeah.
Okay, so all of us love looking into the mirror. And why do we look at the mirror? It's because we judge ourselves, right? And you know what creates our first impression? Our first impression is created when others are judging us. So to answer the first question, when we judge ourselves, we have to understand that no human body is perfect. Everyone has their pros and cons, flaws and perfections. Everyone, you know, needs to
I,
accept.
yeah,
Can you
I
hear?
would just like to add on here. So basically, just like the nature, all the human form, all of us are born with the lines, shapes, color, texture, differently. All of us are unique in our own sense. So frankly speaking, I do not, uh, at Niche do not believe that there's something called as pros and cons as such. It's basically different textures, just like the fabric. The fabric has different textures. The satin with a smooth finish. The same thing goes with the skin. The skin has a smooth finish as well as a textured skin. So all we have to do is play with the fabrics. There's nothing called as good or bad. All we as image consultant, that is our job to guide you with what kind of fabrics, what kind of colors that best enhance your looks, right? So fashion is there, but when you just apply your you use the fashion as per as the person who you are, it works the best. That creates the magic. That actually creates the magic, right? So the first question is, whenever we stand in front of the mirror, the first thing what we do is, how I wish I would have been in a size smaller. How I wish my height would have been, I would have been a taller. So basically, these are the things that you can't change. You're born with them. So what you have to do is accept yourself. So before you begin, the first step is to accept ourselves. Things that we can't change is to be accepted, right? Yes, Akshi, go ahead.
Okay. On the other hand, first impression can be made positive through our clothing, grooming, body language, and communication skills. This is very, very important how we create our first impression. And first impression is made just within 3 to 5 seconds of meeting the person. And it is never ever limited to a formal situation. Okay, you can have a first impression about anyone and everyone anywhere. So, what is the importance of communication? So, we have something called the Mehrabian's rule. Mehrabian was was an author who came up with a lot of books on non-verbal communication, and why non-verbal communication is so important. As you can see in the chart, 55% of the communication is done through our looks, through how we look, which is the maximum. Then we have 38% is how the tone of our voice is. Then only 7% is the words that we actually say. So by this we understand that so much of our communication is done through our clothing. So how clothing, body language is so much more important. And it's people don't know the importance of clothing. So this session with us today is going to talk a lot about why clothing plays a very important role in our lives. So clothing, like we just discussed, that clothing is one of the most powerful non-verbal communication. By non-verbal means that, again, it's your first impression, how people just judge you by the clothes you wear before you even speak a word. What we wear tells us the story of who we are. I have a personal style which is very different than Anita. The tone of my voice also is very different than hers. So, like my pitch, my voice, everything plays a very important role when we style someone. About our frame of mind, sometimes what happens is, if you think about it, if you're having a very gloomy day, or you're not very happy or a little sad, we always tend to choose colors which are very sad. Like we probably go for grays, or a lot of muted colors, gray, silver, all
Blues.
these colors, blues, affects the way we behave. Now, we have a hierarchy that we have to follow sometimes when we are in a formal setup, right? So, if you have noticed, a lot of clothing is very, very important when it in countries like US and UK. So they wear clothes according to the hierarchy also. So, it. Do you want to add in this point?
Yeah. So basically, clothing is a very non-verbal communication. So as Sakshi said, 55% of the communication happens without you even opening your mouth, right? Through your clothing and your body language. The colors speak. For example, if you're wearing the blues, blue has a tendency of being very serious. At the same time, blue is the most trustworthy color, right? So the minute you wear blue, you people doesn't even have to know about colors. Automatically it just happens to that they start judging you, they start believing into you, they start trusting into you. So frankly speaking, we as image consultants, we never advise our clients to go for your first meeting wearing black, because black is a very very mysterious colors, black gives a message of being very hiding something inside, not revealing the whole thing about you. And when you want to build up a relationship with someone, if you are going for a meeting where you suppose you're going for a sales, you're meeting your client, so you want the client to believe into you, right? So we don't advise them to go in the black. So they have to go with more softer colors. So that is coming to the clothing, whereas every part of your clothing speaks, including your accessories, including your hair. If your hair is all over, then you look very, very messy. You don't look organized. So people do not want to have any kind of contact with the people who is more unorganized, right? So they want to look more, they want to have the relationship with people who is more organized. They can trust those people. So it's just not the clothing. It's about everything about you just speaks. And as Sakshi said, the tone, I mean, today's session, we obviously cannot go too much into it, but clothing has a lot to do it. Okay. Even the colors we give to our clients according to their, the pitch. Um, I can just give you one example. If you have a softer voice, then we do not suggest you the stronger colors. We keep you limited to the softer colors because that won't match your style. You know, there's going to be a conflict between your style and your colors. So there's lot to it. And as Sakshi said, frame of mind. See, if you are depressed, like how she said, then you will go with you might even choose to wear the clothing which is not fitting you properly. You might wear something which is very loose, which gives the impression of as if you're just very careless. You don't care about the world. You don't even care about yourself. So if we are here, uh, clothing is all about self-expression, how you want to be perceived, how you are expressing yourself. We don't believe in clothing for the world. It always starts from you. It's always you, right? So the minute you change the color, suppose you're wearing the grays and blues and you want to uplift your mood, change the color, get into reds, get into peaches, get into those more fun loving colors. The minute you change the color, your frame of mind also changes. So basically your outer and inners are interrelated. The minute you change the outer, your inner changes. The minute you change your inner, the outer also changes. It's all interrelated. Believe me, clothing is all psychological. It is just not the outer look. It is related, right? And it affects the way others respond to us. So one example that I can give, if you're going for a meeting, you're going in a t-shirt, people will not even look at you. You know, you want to create an impression, then we probably give you a shirt with a collar, right? Or we give you more geometrical designs, geometrical patterns. So the minute you change your clothing, the outlook of the people also changes towards you. So clothing is more psychological. It's more affecting the mood of others and mood of yours, your own mood, right? Am I good? Yes,
Yeah.
actually, let's go.
So, you are at your best if your clothing is authentic. By authentic, we means that it is speaking of who you are and not someone else. All right. Appropriate. Appropriate to the location we have gone or to the setting that we've gone. If you go for a formal dinner wearing just your normal t-shirt and jeans, you're not fitting into that. That is not an appropriate appearance for that kind of a setting. Attractive. Everyone wants to look attractive, right? So, looking like your clothing is fitting you and flatters your image. So, these three A's are very, very important when it comes to clothing.
See, I would just like to add here also, people have come up to us saying, I don't care about clothing. Why should, I just don't care. I just care about my work. Clothing doesn't matter to me. I say, if you care about your work, also your clothing has to be right. Basically, suppose you say that I don't want to attract people, I don't want people's attention. But what are you doing? If you're not choosing the right kind of clothing, which is authentic, which is appropriate to the situation, and something that fits you well, you are actually attracting their attention. You are looking for their attention. So something that you didn't want is actually happening. Suppose you are not too sure about your body. You just want wearing a tight fitted garment, and you say I don't care. But the bulges that is showing out of your tight fitted garments are actually grabbing the attention, which you say that you don't care, but you actually are grabbing the attention. If you really don't want to grab the attention, then your clothing has to fit you properly, right? It should not be too loose, it should not be too tight, right? So it is important. The right kind of clothing is important. So this is something that Sakshi was talking about, the hierarchy, and basically there are 4 levels of clothing. We call this as a style scale, which we use in every part of our life. So starting from the first level of clothing, here the clothing is divided into 4 levels, right? Starting with the first level of clothing, which is called as the casual level, where you want to look casual. So there are situations you're going for a holiday or for a casual Friday. But basically, even on a casual Friday, we don't advise you to be too casual because it affects your work, right? Your mindset changes. So when we say casual, it is a day out with friends or family or fun event, right? So the cue here is going collarless, a round neck t-shirt without the collar. The cue is the minute you're wearing something which is collarless, you come into the category of level 1, which is called as your casual clothing. See, there are various other cues to it. You also choose the number 1, you choose the lighter colors. The minute you use the lighter colors, you are into level down. So as you go higher, stronger with your colors, your level of clothing also goes higher, right? So you use the stronger, lighter colors, you use the collarless, and about the fabrics that you use will be pliable fabrics. So something like chiffon, very soft fabrics, right, which is not crisp. And you can also choose the fun prints like, the floral prints, animal prints, all those prints, those are all this fall under the category of casual clothing. The minute you want to go higher with your second level of clothing, which is called as a business casual, here the cue is a collar. Just adding a collar can make a difference. Like how Jagdish is wearing a collar shirt. I mean, I'm sure he wouldn't have thought of wearing a collarless for the event. This event being a little, little formal level, not too casual, right? But it's not too casual. It's not too formal also. So the minute you add the collar, it adds on to your level of clothing. So when you look at my clothing, I have a Chinese collar. I have the Mandarin collar that I'm wearing. But obviously, I'm not into too formal kind of clothing because I want to build the connection with you guys. So I didn't want to be in my very strong clothing. So though black is a very, very strong color, I'm adding a color, the maroon color that I'm wearing is softening it. The overall look of my garment, my overall look, right? So the minute you add the collar, you go to the second level of clothing. The t-shirt with the collars come at the lower level of your second level, at the bottom of your second level. The minute you shift to the shirt, it becomes a little higher on your second level. I hope I'm making sense because since everyone is on mute, I'm not able to get the response.
No, you rightly
Okay.
said. In fact, when you started, you told that if you wear blue, you are able to connect very well with your new audience.
Yeah. See,
And
every
the
color
first thing
has
came
a
to my mind
message to
is
give.
you are wearing black jacket, and then you are also able to crack the connection with us for the first time.
Yes, see,
So,
we are the speakers. We are hosting the show, Jagdish. So I couldn't exactly be too easy with
so
the
that's very
sessions. So
individual how you work on that and what confidence you have and how you can break the ice, and it
yes.
goes also with your personality. So that is what I was able to get in your.
Thank you. Yeah, obviously the colors also that I'm wearing goes with my skin tone. The maroon is my this kind of, and not all the reds are everybody's reds. One red will have different colors of shades of reds. So something that a toasted red will work for me, whereas a shade of red will work for someone else,
But
whereas a
how do you
tint of red
know?
will work
How
for
do you
someone
know
else.
what is your skin tone? Because I'm told there is a language.
We have a lot of analysis to do all that. We study your skin, we study the eye color, we study the hair color, and to an extent that we even study the white of your eyes to the teeth. I mean, there's lot into it, right? So it's not possible to talk about so much here in this session. We can just talk in a very generic sense, right? So again, this is about the collar. Even the sleeve length in your casual, you can wear the sleeveless garments. Whereas the minute you start coming up higher on your clothing level, your sleeve length also increases. Your half sleeves is better off with compared to your sleeveless, whereas a 3/4 is even better, and the full sleeves comes on your corporate level of clothing. That is your highest level of clothing, right? So the minute you're wearing a shirt, but you want to make it look like more approachable look, so you roll up your sleeves. You don't want to be too authoritative. You don't want to give that message. You roll up your sleeves, right? So that makes it as 3/4 level. The minute you reduce the length of your sleeves, you are getting more approachable to the people. So as you go higher, the color also starts getting deeper. So the third level is adding a layer to your garment, basically. So the first level is just without the collar. Second is with the collar, wherein there is no third level of clothing. We call the first level of clothing is your inner garments, undergarments, and your second level of clothing is your shirt or t-shirt. This is my third level of clothing that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a shirt which is very, very low on my third level. Very, very low on my third level because it's not a jacket, it's not a blazer or anything, but then it is adding on the layers. So, it affects the psychological thing also. If you're feeling less on confidence, I advise people to go with the layers. Wear a third level that will boost up your confidence level. I don't know if you must have noticed, I've seen children wearing jacket even if they're in the summers, just because they are so less confident amongst themselves, and psychologically they end up wearing the jacket to add up the confidence into them. I don't know, maybe they are into the body shaming or something, whatever may be the reason. But the jacket adds on to your confidence level, also to your authoritative level. So when you are into a professional business, probably you can wear a blazer, but your blazer does not have to match your pants, right? The blazer there can be a contrast in the blazer and your pants, right? It is just the third layer which is important. Similarly, now when we come to the fourth level, the difference between the fourth level and the third level is it has to be a suit. It has to be your blazer, your jacket, your coat has to match your pant. It has to be a matched suit. The same goes well with the Indian governments also. You must have seen the politicians, they wear a sari and they wear the jacket up made with the same garments. There is no difference in the garment also. They might match the color, but it's not just about the color. Even the garment has to match. It has to be made out of the same fabric. So that is the difference between the third and fourth level, where you're wearing a proper match suit. In case of ladies who are wearing the skirt and the jacket, again, the skirt fabric and your jacket fabric has to match. It has to be out of the same fabric. Okay. And also the cue here is the higher the contrast. Black and white is the highest contrast that we can give to a person, right? White shirt with a black jacket. So that is the highest level of contrast. The higher you go with the contrast, again, you are going higher with your level of clothing.
Anita,
Right?
this is awesome.
So
With the depth at which you are going, it's awesome. But I am sorry, there is no more time left. We have only 5 minutes.
yeah. I'm
So
exactly. I just lose track of time when I get into it.
Acknowledge the level of details you have come with for this kind of a short introduction. And it's literally not possible to do justice to what you have to show us today.
Absolutely.
And with this, I would just like to now, if you can give them an overall view of what are your services that you have available, because we will be
that works better because the services,
so that they all can benefit to know what exactly you guys do and what you have to offer them. This will help us to understand this better and take our conversation offline on the WhatsApp. I also had a small, other engagement which I wanted to do, but because of no time, we will continue that on the WhatsApp so that you guys are engaged and you get more value from this program today. Yeah, so over to you, Anita.
Yes, Sakshi, can you just take it forward?
Yeah. Okay. So for the first time, we are officially launching our virtual services today, and I would really take this moment to go through the virtual services that we're offering. So by virtual services, all you guys have to do is send in a few pictures and intake form, and then we can provide you with the service while you are at home. So you don't even have to go step out of your house. The first service that we have is called the discovery session. So in this session this is sort of an identity therapy where we get to know your personal style. All right, we discover your signature style, and we discover your authenticity and the style that satisfies your needs. Then we have something called the virtual style guide. This is a very, very exciting service that we've come up with. So, in this service, we will walk you through your body shape. What is your body shape? And we will tell you the type of blouses. Blouses here means the tops, the shirts, pants, skirts, jackets, and coats that will suit you the best.
And this has got to do with your body shape, right? So each human being has his own unique body shape.
Yes.
Though we force fit them into 5, but each of us are unique.
Frankly speaking, there are most of the body shapes are also into the combination shapes.
Yes.
So they don't just fall into one category.
Not just a straight jacket that you are either a triangle.
Yeah, so we cannot we cannot generalize with the garments. So when we do one-to-one session, we go very deep into it.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
And then all these services are customized. So, each client is different, each body is different. So everyone will get a customized PDF which will help them in knowing their styles which suit them the best.
Got it.
Then we have something called the virtual color analysis. If you can see the picture on your right, if you see the color palette, this is again a customized color palette. So according to your skin tone, your hair color, your eye color, the white in your eye, and a lot of other style archetypes, the data that you give us, we will be able to make you a color palette which is only yours.
So this
So
is
you
what is
can
the art of the whole self-expression, what we are talking about. And there is a science behind this art, right? This color palettes have not just
Yes,
come.
yes, absolutely.
There is a
So
whole
it's
work
never
that has
been
gone behind that. Thousands of hours of work has gone behind that to create this template.
Color is very technical, Jagdish. It's not easy at all.
Yes.
And the clients get the PDF of their own color palette. So when they go out for shopping, they can always, buy the garments according to their own color.
So it
So
is
it's very
also the
easy.
color
It's
of the
very
makeup.
handy for them.
It's also color of the makeup, color of your garments that you buy.
Everything.
This is your skin tone.
I mean, I can tell you the color of the accessories, the bags that you buy for yourself, the footwears, it's everything you can use these colors. Even there, you have to be careful what color of bag are you using? What color of footwear are you buying? Everything has to match. Yes.
Awesome.
And the jewelry or accessories, everything. I mean, there's everything into it. Yes,
Okay,
Sakshi,
so
go ahead.
we have very little time left. Yeah, anything else you want to add to this before we close? And we want to give them an offer to the
Yes.
yeah.
There's just one more service left. This is a virtual makeover where we will be giving you looks that suit you the best virtually. So this is not done through any app. This is done purely through Photoshop. And again, we will be sending you a PDF which is giving you suggestions uh, of of your hairstyle and of your makeup. Then we have the virtual complete makeover. Basically, this is a combination of all the services. And since all of y'all are a part of it today, we have a very, very special offer. We will be uh, discounting this particular service. We have brought down the price to only 12,000 from 13,500 if you book today.
Right. So this is what is available to us at Bespoken. This is a special offer from Adita and Sakshi. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to join. Anybody who's interested to join, you are part of the WhatsApp group, and we will share with you a link of this particular product catalog. This catalog has been created by them, and this is what Sakshi is going to share with you on your WhatsApp group, and you can avail this service. This discount is available till end of the day today. Can you be a little generous? Give them some time to
Yes,
think.
yes, definitely.
Right, right. So thank you so much for this. And any questions? Can we have any of you audience to ask any questions before we shut down? Because there will be a hard shut after another 5 minutes.
Or if there are any questions, they can always put it on the WhatsApp group also, and we can take it forward.
Any particular feedback, please write on the question answer comment box down, or you can continue this conversation on WhatsApp. I'm not seeing anybody coming forth to speak here. We have a lot of people who are from the industry.